Today's video is about throttle switches for the E30, for the M20 B25 or Motronic 1.3 system. As you can see, I have three here, and I would test them with a multimeter for continuity at full throttle and at closed throttle, because it's not a throttle position sensor, it's just a throttle position switch. And they would test good, and I would install them, and then when I install them, either the idle switch will not work or the full throttle switch will not work. So I was like, what's going on here? And I looked up online, and genuine BMW one is $300, and the aftermarket one is like $50. So I was like, I'm gonna just open one and see what's going on here. So here I opened one. It is just a simple system. I mean, I used a small screwdriver to just pry slightly on these tabs, and then I put it against the wood, and then with a small hammer I tapped around just to break the glue. It's glued on there, and I was able to remove the cover. And as you can see, this is the full throttle switch. It switches on like at 80% throttle and up. It is there to signal Motronic unit to cut off the AC compressor and to access full throttle maps. And this is the idle switch. This is when the throttle is closed, the switch is closed, and that tells Motronic unit that throttle is closed and to access the idle maps. And deceleration injector cutoffs. And then the way you test it, see, this is there's mid pin 18, and 2 is idle. It just has to have a continuity. And then the 3 and 18 is at full throttle. It has to have continuity. Basically, the ground wire is supplied to this 18, and then Motronic unit just receives the ground signal. And so I looked at these contacts, and they're good. I mean, there's nothing to wear out in this throttle position switch, because only ground comes through it. There's no high current going through it that's going to wear out the components. So I was baffled a little bit. Then I noticed that these solder points here are loose. So what happened here is that the solder joints got desoldered over all these years and heat cycles. So what I did is I just flowed a little bit of with the soldering iron. I reflowed them again, and then it's all good now. Let me see. This one is still bad. I didn't fix this one, but you can see the breakage. Let me try to zoom in. Right there, you can see the solder broke off. It has a report connection. That means when I tested it outside the car, the outside the engine, it tested good. Then when I mounted it, which means it flexed a little bit, this housing, and then it it lost the connection on that pin. So that's how you do it, guys. And then just with the soldering iron, just reflow this, test it again before putting the cover, and then just put slight amount of silicone around and put the cover back on there, and that should do it, man. Saves you $50, or worst case scenario, saves you $300. And then these come on a few other BMW engines. I didn't look up which ones, but it's fairly common throttle position switch. That's the part number. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. Subscribe to my channel and watch other videos on my channel.